The new update in Dark War Survival brings some big changes you need to know about. Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. Today's video will walk you through all the significant changes and introduce two new events, Scorpion Becomes and Dark Zone Ops. Alliance Cooldown. First, let's talk about the new Alliance Leaving restriction. Starting from day 3 of a new season, leaving your alliance will trigger a 12-hour cooldown before you can join another alliance. But if you decide to rejoin the former one, there is no cooldown. However, you can attack another alliance city for 6 hours after rejoining. This change prevents alliance hopping to gain the alliance dual points. Regular Event tab. Next, a new Regular Event tab has been added. It groups all frequent access events into one place. You can now quickly access your daily tasks, Attack on Titan, Arena, Shadow Calls, Warfiend Becomes Dark Syndicate, and Dark Zone Ops from a single menu. This makes it much more convenient to navigate events without searching one by one. Scorpion Becomes. Scorpion Becomes is the updated version of the old Tyrant event. The gameplay is essentially the same. You challenge the boss up to 5 times a day to earn rewards. But now, there are a few new twists: Faction Boost and Rotating Bosses. Faction Boost provides bonus damage to a particular faction. For example, if the Rider faction is boosted today, using a Rider formation will deal 50% more damage to the boss. Also, instead of fighting the same boss every day, other bosses like Warfiend may appear next. Even though the boss changes, the core gameplay stays the same. There are 3 main types of rewards in this event. First, you get 3 solo rewards by completing your 5 daily attacks. So, make sure to use up all your chances. Second, your highest single hit damage is ranked. The top 200 players on the leaderboard will receive ranking rewards. Third, you can earn achievement rewards based on your all-time best damage for each boss. That means that the event rotates through 4 different bosses. You can unlock 4 sets of achievement rewards, 1 for each boss. This is a good improvement compared to the old Tyrant event, which only offered a single set of achievements. If you're buying a bundle in Dark War Survival, GemZ is ready to help you save more and get more value. GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $125 for the same bundle, which only sells at $100 for the US players. With GemZ, it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Inviting friends can earn you an additional $20 in in-game rewards. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. Dark Zone Ops. The next major update is the Dark Zone Ops, which replaces the old trial event. Although the name and interface are different, the basic gameplay remains familiar. To participate, you need to build the new helipad. The trial shop still exists but has been renamed the Dark Zone Shop. You can still use your existing trial badges to make purchases, and the items in the shop remain unchanged. One significant improvement is that the stage clear limit has been removed. Previously, you had to beat specific stages to unlock better items in the shop. Now, you can buy any item freely, no matter which stages you have cleared. Dark Zone Ops includes 3 buildings, each representing a different hero faction. The Lost Shooting Range is for shooter heroes. The Fatal Raceway is for rider heroes. The Buried Barrack is for fighter heroes. The buildings are only available for challenge on certain days of the week. For instance, Fighter is available from Monday to Wednesday, Shooter from Wednesday to Friday, and Rider from Friday to Sunday. Each building contains a series of stages. You aim to challenge as many stages as possible using your strongest heroes. Your progress will be recorded and ranked. Currently, on our server, the Whale player has reached stage 25 to 6 in the shooter faction. There are 3 types of rewards in Dark Zone Ops. First, you receive a first clear reward the first time you clear a stage. However, sometimes your cleared stages may be overrun by zombies. If this happens, you can use the crush function to clear them again automatically. Clearing them will earn you the second type of reward, the crush rewards. The third type is milestone rewards, which are unlocked by clearing a certain number of stages. One of the milestone rewards is a decorative piece called the Brandenburg Gate. This item can be placed in your shelter, boosting your troops' defense. It is also upgradable, so you can collect more of it and enhance your defense bonus. Alright, it is the end of the sharing today. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.